Here is how to connect Agnic Gifts to ChatGPT and let it find the right gift. Start at gifts.agnic.ai, open ChatGPT settings, go to Security and log in. Then switch on Developer mode. This lets ChatGPT connect to Agnic securely. Open Plugins and select the plus button, name it Agnic Gift. Paste the Agnic Gifts MCP address, confirm the notice, then select Create. ChatGPT will now ask you to connect your Agnic account. Enter your email, review the terms, and select Agree and Continue. Once redirected, Agnic Gift is installed inside ChatGPT. Refresh the actions to confirm it is ready. Open a new conversation and describe what you need. In this example, we ask, based on what you know about me, find a gift I would love that I can buy right now. You have a £20 budget. Use Agnic Gift. I will choose one and approve it. Make the request specific or keep it open. Add the recipient, occasion, budget, delivery country, or let ChatGPT use what it already knows about you to make the suggestions more personal. Before searching, ChatGPT asks where the gift should be delivered. In this example, we choose the United Kingdom. ChatGPT uses Agnic Gifts to find products within budget that can be delivered there. A few moments later, the personalised shortlist appears. Nothing has been purchased yet. Review the suggestions, then tell ChatGPT which one you want. Here, we choose Supreme Earl Grey loose leaf tea from the Tea Makers of London. ChatGPT confirms the choice and creates a secure Agnic setup link. Nothing has been charged. Open the link and enter the delivery address. Next, add the payment card you want Agnic to use. Your full card details stay securely inside Agnic. They never enter the ChatGPT conversation. Now you define the boundaries. Choose the purchase types the agent may make. Set the maximum amount per transaction, the daily limit, then confirm using your device passkey or Touch ID. The permission is securely bound to your limits. Return to ChatGPT and say the Agnic setup is complete. ChatGPT can now continue the purchase, but only inside the boundaries you approved. That's Agnic Gifts with ChatGPT. ChatGPT finds the gift. You choose it. Agnic provides secure permission to pay. Your agent can act, while you remain in control.